A cylinder of 0.9 meter cube in volume contains air at 0 degree Celsius and 39.24 Newton per centimeter square absolute pressure. The air is compressed to 0.45 meter cube. Find the pressure inside the cylinder assuming isothermal process, pressure and temperature assuming adiabatic process. Take K equal to 1.4 for air. So what is given in this question? So volume, initial volume, that is 0.9 meter cube. Initial temperature, that is equal to 0 degree Celsius, that is equal to 0 plus 273 Kelvin, that is equal to 273 Kelvin. Absolute pressure or initial pressure, that is equal to 39.24 Newton per centimeter square, and final volume, that is equal to 0.45 meter cube. First case you have to find out P2 for isothermal process, and second case P2 and T2 for adiabatic process. So we know that from isothermal process, so we know that P1 V1, that is equal to P2 V2. So from here, if you want to find out P2, that is equal to P1 V1 by V2. So from here, P1, what is the value of P1? That is 39.24. What is the value of V1? That is 0.9. What is the value of V2? That is 0.45. So if you want to calculate this, so 39.24 into 0.9 divided by 0.45. So this is equal to 78.48. So 78.48, the unit will be Newton per centimeter square. So this will be our answer. And for second case, so you have to find out the pressure and temperature for adiabatic process. So for adiabatic process, we know that P1 V1 to the power K, that is equal to P2 V2 to the power K. So from here, P2, that is equal to P1 into V1 by V2 to the power K. So P1, what is the value of P1? That is 39.24 into 0.9 by 0.45 to the power 1.4. Okay. So from here, if you want to calculate this value will be 103.5 Newton per centimeter square. So this will be our another answer. And if you want to calculate the temperature, we know that for isothermal process T1, T1 V1 to the power K minus 1, that is equal to T2 V2 to the power K minus 1. So from here, T2, that is equal to V1 by V2 to the power K minus 1 into T1. So 0.45 to the power 1.4 minus 1 into T1. What is the value of T1? That is 273. So from here, you get the value, that is 360 Kelvin. And if you want to calculate into degree Celsius, the answer will be 87 degrees Celsius. So this will be our answer.